Hello guys, this is a quick review of this Makita drill bit set. I bought it for my Makita drill hammer that I have here. It comes with 5 pieces. You see here the different sizes. And it's very easy to use and it's very good. As you can see here, I'm using more of this too. And it's pretty good yet. You see here the tip is practically indestructible. And it's very easy to use. Let me just show you here. When I have my Makita, I just put this here, that way, and then it snaps in place like this. And when I'm using, start hammering like this, okay? Pretty easy to use, also pretty easy to remove from here. Just like this, and you're ready to go. So I recommend you to use this one because it lasts forever and has good quality. The material is very good. So I like it and I recommend it.